Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Facebook friends into followers. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Facebook, and then once we open up our Facebook right now, we need to head over to our profile. So once we head over to our profile, obviously you'll be on this page, and as you can see at the moment I have one friend, and if I want to convert that one friend into a follower, what I can do is I can simply come all the way up to the top of my profile, click on the three dots right next to edit profile, and then once you click on this you will see the option for turn on professional mode. So click on turn on professional mode, then click on turn on again to confirm this, and then what you will need to do now is just wait a couple of seconds while it converts your profile. And then what we can do now is we can go all the way back, and as you can see you will notice that I have now got 2 followers. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.